Hey guys, what is going on? So we're back here working on the Ecoboost again. We got the ARP head sounds in. Actually, where did I leave off? I left off with actually the teardown, which kind of sucks because I've been really busy. I didn't video what I've gotten done so far, so I'll kind of run you guys over what we've already done so far, just because I didn't video it, I'll give you guys an idea of what's done. So don't worry about the timing cover on. I just had that to kind of keep things clean. I had the valve cover on too, but we got the head on, which is cool. Got the ARP head studs in as well. You can see them down there. We're actually getting ready to torque the head down. So I gotta go by it looks like follow the manufacturer's recommended torque sequence. And then, yeah, gotta tighten to these torque specs, torque sequence right here. So I gotta go through this and do this, get the head torqued down. I'd say I'd throw the turbo on, but I need to get a new gasket. I need to get a new one of these right here. It's for the turbo. I got a new turbo too. I got a new stock turbo, so that we're gonna put that on the car for the time being, just so we can get it up and running and everything. I do have some more gaskets to get. I keep forgetting to go to Ford and grab some of the stuff I need. Need some gaskets, a couple other things, need some RTV and all that. But yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. So I'm gonna tighten down the head, and then I believe the next step after that would be install the cams. So yeah, we're gonna install the buckets and then the cams, but we are most definitely getting there. We're getting somewhere, and I'm pretty excited because yes, this has taken some time, and it's taken a lot more time than I would have liked. I really do miss my car a lot. I cannot stand not driving my car. It sucks. But it is a learning experience, and I'm learning a lot from this. And I'm basically learning how to tear down the motor, put it back together in case I ever have to do this again, which I may have to do it. Next time it'll be that much faster. I'll know what I need. I'll basically have an idea of all the steps for the process of taking the head off and all that. So it's pretty cool to learn about this. But anyways, let's get to torquing the head down. Alright guys, we have the head torqued down to the specs on this sheet. We are going to start installing the tappets, which are these right here. They sit right on top with the springs. So we just gotta lubricate these with oil, which I have some right there. Gonna lubricate them with oil, get all those in, and from there we can start installing the cams. So yeah, let's get to it. Shouldn't be too hard. Okay guys, we got all the tappets in here. Now what's next is I'm going to put the crank bolt back in, and I'm gonna turn the motor over because I believe it's currently at top dead center on two of the pistons. So I don't want anything at top dead center for when I'm installing the cams. So I'm gonna do that, then we're gonna get the cams in, and I believe that's where we're gonna stop for the night. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Hey guys, what is going on? So I just pulled up to Auto Mafia. Let's get out of the car. I went and got some RTV, some more RTV, and I actually have, let's see, turbo in the trunk, and timing tool kit. It's right there. Nice little turbo in here. thanks to the guys at Park Performance. So he's making fun of me for driving a Honda. But anyways, got the timing toolkit here as well. I just opened it upside down. But yeah, got this. So we're gonna get going on hopefully putting this thing back together. But yeah, I know it's been, oh Jesus. I know it's been a couple days since I ended the last video, but I've had a lot going on with work and whatnot. So let's just get to it and start, hopefully get this thing running soon, so. Okay, so basically what's left to do, I haven't been here in a while. Take all these out. These are just kind of keeping dirt out of everything. Is screwed in? Might be screwed in. I have to install cams. I have to, it's dirty. I have to install some cams, cam caps, all the random accessories as well. Let's see, get all this off there. Good to take off. Yeah, there we go. All right. So I'll throw this somewhere over here with all my stuff. But like I was saying, cams need to be installed. All of the tappets are in. So we'll get the cams installed. I had to get RTV for some of the cam caps, which is down there. And we will hopefully get this thing together. It's not that much work left, man. So I think we can get the majority of it together and good to go. So I'll update you guys through the process, just showing you what I'm doing. I know it's not been the most, you know, put together video in regards to showing you everything that I'm doing, but I'm gonna try to do my best on that and hopefully show you guys a little bit of, you know, what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. So let's get to it. All right, so we just got back to the store. Had to go to AutoZone to get this. It's a hex socket or whatever you want to call it. Not a socket, but I had to get this for the cam because, let me see. I'll put the cam down right here so I can show you guys. So there's this piece on the end of the cam right here. That comes out, and I need that to come out because if you see the grooves right down here, that's how I'm gonna lock out the cams for when I time the engine. So I need this piece to come out, which this darker piece that the hex head fits into, oh, there goes my hex. This piece right here is what fits into the vacuum pump and runs the vacuum pump. But like I said, I need it off to time the engine, so that's what I'm gonna try to do with an impact. Hopefully it works. So I have a big wrench and an impact. Cut my hand open already. Awesome, wish me luck. Hopefully this works. Beautiful. Don't drop that cam. There goes my impact though. Rather drop that than the cam. But yeah, so that's what comes out right there. And this is what I needed right here. This slot is what I need to basically lock the cam out and time the motor. So we'll throw this off to the side and start installing this cam. And once this cam is in, we'll be able to torque both cams down. I think I have to RTV one of the rear cam caps or both the rear cam caps, and then we'll keep moving forward. Alright guys, it's been a few hours. Oh, my camera's dirty. How about that? It's been a few hours. I'm kind of bad at keeping track of everything, but look what we got. We have Cams installed, everything torqued to spec, VCT solenoids, VCT gears, I think they're called. Timing chain, everything is basically ready to go. It's all timed. We're getting ready to put the valve cover or the timing cover back on. I'm just basically cleaning all the existing rubber or whatever they use. This feels like rubber. It's freaking
gasket maker.
Gasket maker. It's everywhere from when they redid my timing cover. Cleaning that up, then I'm gonna RTV the timing cover, put that back on, and then from there I believe valve covers next, if I'm not mistaken. I gotta check the PDF, but we're definitely making progress here. I'm thinking maybe tomorrow we might have it up and running, but still gotta put the new turbo on, which I have in this box right here. It is a precision box, but it's not a precision, unfortunately. It's just a stock turbo, but if you look at it, it's not fucked up. How about that? So we're gonna have an unfucked turbo, so that's good. And a new high pressure fuel pump right here. Got in this box right here because my last high pressure fuel pump, we were seeing really bad dips in fuel pressure during pulls when we were doing data logging. So we think the high pressure fuel pump was failing. So I'd rather just replace it while I have everything torn apart. Might as well. Got some new gaskets and whatnot, but this is weird.
We had a little, what's it called? You had
YouTubeception.
a YouTubeception.
Caleb's recording me recording this this video here. This happens a lot. But anyways, so we're gonna keep working on it, and hopefully, you know, by the end of the night we'll have the timing cover on, and tomorrow we'll start buttoning everything else up. All right, guys. So I'm gonna keep on cleaning the front cover here. I'm just gonna get some of the gasket maker and everything off, like I was telling you before. So let's get this done so we can RTV this thing and get it on the car. Gasket maker RTVs on the front timing cover. It's also on the place on the block. We're gonna go ahead and start installing it carefully. I don't have my things. Not prepared. All right, I do have this though. I figure it's probably smart to do the corners first. So I do the corners first, then it can't move anywhere.
I like your thinking.
I didn't go to Pineview for no reason.
And the best part about that extension you're using is that it's bent.
I noticed that.
So it puts everything on in a wobble. It's kind of weird.
Right. 10 minutes. It's probably gonna leak.
It's an Ecoboost, don't they all leak?
Yeah, well.
Phil H, you'll have to put in a built motor.
Okay, but I still have this bolt that's like weird. It's a star pattern. I don't know where it came from. It was in my front bolt, or my front cover bolts bag, so like, I'm just gonna assume it's supposed to be in there, but I don't really know. How'd I even get it off? Do we have that?
I think so.
What?
I think so.
Where though?
Here?
Is that it? Too small.
Oh, needs a bigger one?
It does.
Middle. Yeah. Too big?
Nope.
Right?
Yep. Okay guys, so the cover's back off. I'm cleaning it off again. Long story short, I made a boo-boo when I was installing the front cover here. Let's see if you can get it to focus. Anyways, I snapped the head off the bolt for this one in the very top, right there. So basically, yeah, so I gotta get another bolt. So that's the deal with that. I'm gonna go get another bolt, get this back on. But this is gonna be it for this video. I'm just gonna stop it here because the next video should be installing turbo and accessories and all that stuff, and then possibly starting it. The next video we should be starting it. If we're not starting it in the next video, then we have some serious problems going on, and I should probably reconsider what I'm doing with my car. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see some more of me rebuilding the car, and I'll see you next time.